A Marcy man is in the hospital following a lawnmower accident. It happened just after 7 o'clock last night at a home on Route 291 in Marcy along the 9 Mile Creek. State police tell us a 60-year-old man went to mow the lawn and never returned. They say his wife called 911 to help try to find him. Police and fire crews found his lawnmower overturned along the creek. He was found about 100 feet downstream with a bad head wound. Police say he was taken to the hospital where he was last listed in critical condition. Staying on the